What's up, everybody? My name is Vince, and to help you get in the Halloween spirit, we have compiled a list of the top 5 scariest tools used in horror movies. Let's get started. So here it is. Number 1 is a framing nailer. It's from the movie Evil Dead 2018. It's really horrific stuff. Take a look at this. And here's the nailer here. It's the Hitachi 3¼ inch round head framing nailer. I mean, this is what the villain obviously used. Very reliable. Shoots adequately sized nails. I mean, 3¼ inches is going to get the job done. Moving on, coming in at number 4, one of my favorite horror movies. Scary tool was used is The Shining. Jack Nicholson, I think he won an Academy Award for his role in that movie. I mean, he didn't want to be a dull boy. So what did he do? He used this axe. Let's take a look.
Not by the hair on your chinny chin chin. Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in.
Jack might have been a dull boy. Okay, all he did was work. And maybe the reason he was so tired was because he was using a standard axe instead of the DeWalt 3.5-pound ExoCore single-bit axe. I mean, it's ergonomically designed to be more effective. I mean, let's look at this handle here. You can find this axe on Acme Tools website. We thoughtfully put a link down below. Let's move on. We have the circ saw that was used in Hostel Part 2. And I gotta tell you, this thing was massive. Massive. Just take a look. I mean, you can't think of anything more horrific than the skill saw 16 5/16 inch super saw squatch magnesium werve drive circular saw. Over here on a higher power tool, we put a link down below. I mean, when you need to cut whatever it is that you need to cut, 6x6 lumber, and you don't want it to be a horror show. You don't want it to be scary. You just want to be effective. You go with the super saw squatch. Let's move on to number 3. And when I think of horror films and scary tools that were used in horror films, who doesn't agree that Jason Voorhees in Friday the 13th? I mean, the entire series of them. I mean, how many were there? 14, 13, 15? Friday the 13th? I don't know. But the iconic tool that was used was...
You want your machete back? Shit, it's yours. Take it. Just remember who saved it for you. Guys, it's okay. He just wanted his machete back. Whew.
The machete. I mean, whether you're clearing out brush, or opening coconuts, there's a lot of work to get done with a machete. We got the Ontario 22-inch military machete fixed blade knife. Look at it. It's only $29.95 over on Blade HQ. Yes, we put the link down below. You asked for them. We're trying to do our best to supply them with you. And number 1, most iconic tool used in a scary horror movie. The most iconic scary tools used is the Chainsaw. I mean, Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Can I even use the word massacre on YouTube? Probably I should stop saying massacre because it's going to be a horror show. We're going to get our analytics back, and it's going to be a massacre. But take a look at this. This is the exact saw that he used. We got a link over for a higher power tool. It's the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 16-inch chainsaw, high output 12 amp hour kit. Product number 2727-21 HD. Look it. I mean, if it's good enough for Buffalo Bill, it should be good enough for you. With that, I want to say, I hope you enjoyed our Halloween-themed scary tools horror movie. We kind of try to all tie it all together somehow, make it fun. And if you like YouTube creators that try to make it fun, then smash the like button. Also, maybe you're not into the Halloween thing, but you know some people that are. Share this video with them. Maybe they like horror movies. Maybe they like scary movies or scary tools. Pass it along. I appreciate every single one of you. Don't eat too much candy. It's Halloween season. Everybody, we'll see you on the next one.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.